Hey guys, so in case you've been having some wiper issue, as in the water reservoir is not going in to the wiper nozzles, then there's a few things you can check. First is to check that there's enough washer liquid in here. Secondly is to make sure that the motor down at the washer reservoir is working. Or secondly, it could be just that your connection joints are not in proper shape. And as for mine, as you can see from here, this one here is broken. This is supposed to be a Y shape where where one of it is going into the driver's side and the other one is going into the passenger side. So today I'm going to show you how we can change the parts. So first we got to identify the shape of the nozzle that we are replacing here. We got the T1, the T shape, we got the Y shape, and we've got the L shape here, I shape I shape. So usually the T shape is coming directly from the motor itself, the motor of the reservoir. And then right from the motor reservoir is going to be connected and split into two, which is a Y shape, and reaching back onto the other side of the passenger side, we will be using a I nozzle shape, right? So, but for my case, I'm only going to be replacing the Y and the L shape, or I shape, sorry. So the first thing you want to do is to disconnect the hose from the to the connector here by simply just pulling it out. Right, that's one, and now on the other side. If you're finding some difficulties taking it out, then what you can do is you can try and twist and turn around it till it comes up. Alright, so I've taken out the connector for the Y shape, as well as the other side, which is supposed to be the L shape. If you're going to do it, it's better if you just change it in a pair. Right, so let's go ahead and put in the new one. So as you can see from here, this is the old Y connector. It's broken. This is due to the heat over the years that disintegrated the plastic. Okay, so one of the ways that before you install it is that to make sure that the straight one is always facing up and the bottom one is always going to the passenger side. Right, so what you need to do now is just go ahead and put it in. So this is how it looks like after connecting the connectors. Again, this is coming from the main reservoir, and then it splits into two parts. One of it is going into the driver's side, and the other one is going into the passenger side. So let's go ahead and put in the last one. So when it's completed with the connectors, this is how it looks like. So this one here, that one will be going to split. This to the passenger. And that's how you do it. That's how you change your wiper nozzle connectors. Thank you for watching.